One strut broke off, and those that have this Lexus GS, you know how heavy this rear door trunk is. It's it almost takes two hands to lift it up. This one literally flew off of here, and I tried to pop back in and it didn't want to stay, and it did some damage to the paint. This one is still the old one, so I got to get that replaced as well. So this is the old one that broke. This is the new one that I got. So this came in this vinyl bag, plastic bag, and instruction, but really there's nothing much to it. The length didn't fit well on this one. I remember I had to kind of force it in. I just tried this, and the length on this one is perfect. So this one, if you look carefully here, inside, this clip goes inside on both ends, and it grabs to the ball joint, and one side kind of broke off. So that's why this one keeps popping out. So taking this out is quite straightforward. You see I got it popped out. All you have to do is get a small, narrow, flathead screwdriver and push it in there and then lift up on it, okay? And for you, you don't care if this pops out, so you can just pull it out completely, and that'll loosen the two clip ends that's holding the ball joint. Same thing on both sides. Now to install it, all you have to do is align this hole to the ball joint on the car, and you're just gonna push and snap it in. And you could actually rotate this a little bit if necessary to align it, okay? I see this brand getting sold both on eBay and Amazon for a cheaper price. Don't get this, because it was actually a little bit too long, okay? And as you can see, you know, I hardly drove the car that much because of the pandemic, and it didn't last too long. So I'm gonna take off this side, okay? This is the old one. I'm gonna take off the top. If you look here, this one actually came off the this slot here, you know? It should have been inside the slot, so that's what's causing the, you see how it popped in? So maybe you guys want to check this periodically. You want it slid in just like that, okay? And that's what's gonna, I think that's what led the other side to break. So to get this out, I actually gotta take it out, but you know, get a screwdriver in there. It's got kind of a spring action, so it wants to go down. I think that's far out enough. No? Nope. Okay, so that's how you're gonna get this out. All right, down here, gonna go at it. I get a little bit better access on the bottom one here. So I'm gonna go in there, pry it up, and this one came out a little bit easier. So there it is. All right, so installation is easy. You just snap it in, but I wanna actually clean up some of the dust buildup here. And then down here. Okay, and this already comes with and if you can see, there's a grease inside on both of these, but I'm gonna just apply just a little bit more grease. Okay, I'm just gonna apply a little bit. And I'm gonna do the same on this side. Now first clean all the dust buildup with the grease. This one has this one has a lot of dust buildup. Because if you don't, then the grease will not lubricate as well because of all the dust and dirt that's been built up. You can see big chunk that came off of there. I'm just gonna put a little bit, don't put too much, because that one already has grease. This is just to supplement a little bit more. And then this black piece, the gas strut, is actually gonna go to the top. It's easier if you put the bottom first in case you need to adjust the height on the top. So I'm just gonna snap that in. But this one actually fits perfectly, unlike the other one. The other one I had to kind of wiggle the trunk up and down to get it to fit. Okay, so that's in there. Okay, again, the gas strut side goes to the top. I'm gonna do the bottom first. On the top, and that's it. Before I would get to about this far and it would just slam down. That's much better. That's much easier. So periodically keep an eye on this part here. Sometimes I've seen it kind of get loosen and start to kind of pop out, and you may have to pop that back in. But right now it seems to fit well. That's it, folks. So this is the part that I bought from Amazon. I hope this video helped. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.